Hey neighbors, Tony here again. Got a video for you today on lemon essential oil. As many of you know, my family and I have been using essential oils for about 8 years, even before the birth of our oldest child, Fiona. And we use them for all kinds of things: cooking, cleaning, personal hygiene, automotive cleaning. And today I'm going to give a demo on another way that we use Young Living's lemon essential oil. So this is the bottle that's branded Topical Aromatic, the yellow label, 15 milliliter bottle. It's an excellent product. They do manufacture or produce the best essential oils in the world. And we're not like some people who've just jumped on the bandwagon with essential oils. Again, we've used them for many years. We have a policy in our home that we do not put on our skin what we won't put in our mouth. And so when we're cleaning things, especially things with residues or some sort of oil-based glue, it's tempting to use a solvent or some more powerful synthetic toxic debonding agent if it's a glue. And of course that's not good for your largest organ, your skin, and it goes right into your bloodstream. Over the years we've started using lemon essential oil to take off sticker residue, which may not sound like a big deal, but when you have 2 kids, and regardless if you have kids, there's many times when you need to take off a residue, right, Angie? Mm-hmm. So this video I'm going to show how I have used lemon essential oil to remove residue from my custom foot orthotics. On your right, my left, is the left orthotic, and I've already let the lemon essential oil soak into some glue that was present all over it, which is what you see over here minus this spot right here. So these are many years old. To each of them I had some leather glued, and that leather over time degraded and I need to replace it. So yesterday or the day before I went ahead and removed the glue from this one here, and it came off so easily that I thought I'm going to do a video for you guys to see how it works.
Did you try to remove the glue first with something else before you tried the lemon oil?
Yeah, I did. I actually used the wire wheel of a grinder on this one a bit, and actually it was this one here, and it began to take off the material. Even though it's not that aggressive, I didn't think the wire wheel. These are very expensive orthotics, and so I thought I'm not going to mess with that wheel anymore, and I want to use some sort of liquid.
So the glue didn't come off just with regular scrubbing?
No. I mean, the wire wheel will take it off, but it destroyed or damaged my orthotic, so I stopped that. And I didn't want to use any sort of solvent, so I tried the lemon oil, and it came right off. And I'm using a spoon. It has the perfect edge on it. It's not too sharp, but it's sharp enough, and it's stronger than my fingernail, of course.
So you put the lemon oil all over that?
Yep.
And just let it soak in?
Yep. And it's amazing. For those of you who've used lemon oil for purposes like this in the past, you're not surprised by this at all. You can see it comes right off.
Yeah, wow. You probably just do it with your fingers, huh?
Yeah, at this point I can.
Wow.
And it's very effective. We use it to take off residue from stickers that the kids put here and there. Mm-hmm. And the greatest benefit, of course, is that I can consume lemon essential oil all day long, and it doesn't, in fact, it's good for me, as opposed to the garbage that we typically use, at least guys use, to take off residues or grime from things like this or car parts or whatever. So hope that's helpful. Dudes and dudettes, if you benefited from this video, please give it a like down below and subscribe to my channel.